We're a certified woman-owned business built on faith, ethics, and hard work. For over 20 years, we've delivered excellence driven by values that guide both our leadership and our service. We provide everything from build design, turnkey solutions, to building facilities maintenance. We operate across Texas, Louisiana, California, and several other states, and we're still growing. With over 200 employees and over $10 million in annual sales, we're proud to serve our clients with integrity and craftsmanship. Working with Dana Espinal at the LSCPA Small Business Development Center has been a key part of our journey. Her guidance has helped us improve operations, prepare for growth, and stay true to our values.
Elizabeth's leadership is rooted in purpose. Together, we focused on building a business that's not only successful, but also impactful in the community.
We lead with faith and integrity. That means doing things the right way, treating people well, and building a company culture that supports growth and trust. Through my nonprofit, Everlasting Changes, we've supported families and students for over 15 years. Whether it's food drives or backpacks, giving back is how we show love beyond business. You don't have to grow alone. The LSCPA Small Business Development Center has been an incredible partner. They can help you overcome any challenge and develop something truly meaningful.
Mid-America Contractors is leading with vision and values. The LSCPA Small Business Development Center is proud to support their continued success.